What is 4 minus 4? Answer, 0. What is 9 minus 4? Answer, 5. 7 minus 3 equals? Answer, 4. What is 2 minus 0? Answer, 2. 7 minus 1 equals? Answer, 6. What is 4 minus 0? Answer, 4. What is 4 minus 2? Answer, 2. What is 70 minus 20? Answer, 50. What is 40 plus 20? Answer, 60. What is 60 minus 30? Answer, 30. 6 minus 1 equals? Answer, 5. What time is 7 o'clock on a digital clock? Answer, 7 o'clock. What time is 9 o'clock on a digital clock? Answer, 9 o'clock. What is 30 plus 10? Answer, 40. What time is 10 o'clock on a digital clock? Answer, 10 o'clock. What is 6 plus 5? Answer, 11. What is 60 minus 20? Answer, 40. What is 40 plus 10? Answer, 50. 5 minus 4 equals? Answer, 1. What is 6 minus 1? Answer, 5.